Love rainbows? Well, now you don't need to wait for them anymore because you can have your own rainbow lip gloss in a tub to carry with you and use whenever you want. And the best thing is that you can have fun while making it yourself, DIY, and even adjust the rainbow with your favorite colors. Let me show you how it's done. We'll need clear, colorless lip gloss and eyeshadow to color the lip gloss, which will fit into an empty lip gloss tube which I got my hands on at Amazon. With cosmetic syringes that I got at Daiso at dollar store, one for each color, we'll fill the gloss into the tube. Small sauce containers will be useful too. Now let's get started. For the rainbow lip gloss, I'll be using 6 colors: pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Get one small sauce container ready for each color and use a food pick to get the eyeshadow out of its container. If a food pick is too messy, I can recommend to use the handle of a teaspoon like a small shovel to transfer chunks of eyeshadow into the small sauce containers. Now I'll get the empty lip gloss tube and every 1.5 cm mark with masking tape as a little help of measure for my 6 colors. Pull the plunger out and fill the barrel with 1 tablespoon of clear lip gloss and add eyeshadow little by little until the gloss has color but is still transparent. To mix the lip gloss with the eyeshadow, I use a wooden skewer. Now you need a calm hand and squeeze the lip gloss into the tub. In case the lip gloss gets a bit too messy, use a cotton pad and a skewer to clean up. Repeat with the next color. Remember to use 1 syringe for each color. Get as much masking tape as you need to stabilize the top onto your desk. This will make both of your hands free and the whole process a lot easier. On to a new color and a new syringe. Because the syringes are hard to clean from the lip gloss, you can discard them after using. While squeezing the gloss into the tube, you should not move the needle farther than the color you're currently at. This is because the gloss will naturally flow into a smooth pattern. And the cool thing is that you don't have to do anything for that. Just wait. Then finished, this is what it will approximately look like. It's bright, colorful, and amazingly mesmerizing. I hope that wearing it will make you as happy as looking at your own little rainbow in a tub. Good luck, remember to have a calm hand, but most importantly, have fun! See you soon in my next video.